Action.
Hello, my name is Stephen Dane, and I'm the founder and CEO of BEA Technology. And I'm also a chief engineer for our products. I work on automation and control system for almost 30 years. Today, I'm very excited to introduce to you our Omni-Chair. Our Omni-Chair is unlike any other chairs out there in the market that moves forward, backward, turn left, and turn right. Our Omni-Chair can travel in any direction and maneuver like a hovercraft, but it's on the ground. What makes our Omni-Chair possible is a technology that we developed and patented, and it is called the IRS. It's not what you think. IRS stands for Intelligent Rotation System, and this technology consists of two parts. The first part is a mechanical mechanism that allows the wheels to turn freely without tangling of wire or driveshaft restriction. The second part is the control algorithm that calculates the shortest path for the wheels to turn and minimize the wears on the tire. Next, I'd like to show you the chair and how the chair operates. A chair is basically a regular office chair, and the bottom is a cover. It's made of one piece and it's made of a very strong material, a 5 millimeter thick ABS plastics. Our control panel consists of three parts. The first part is an on and off switch. The second is a battery level LCD display. And the third part is the full function joysticks. I know maneuvering a hovercraft, it sounds like a very difficult task. But don't worry, we developed a feature, what we call it, the STD. It's not what you're thinking about. STD stands for speed, twist, and direction. So let me show you how the joystick works. Speed, you simply push the joystick forward. The further you push, the faster your chair goes. Twist left, you simply turn the joystick to the left. Twist right, you simply turn the joystick to the right. Direction, basically, you can push the joystick to any direction you want. So let me show you how the joystick operates. To go forward, you simply push the joystick forward. To go backward, you simply pull the joystick backward. To move in any direction you want, you simply push the joystick wherever the direction you like. Twist. To twist left, you simply turn the joystick to the left. To twist right, you simply turn the joystick to the right. Now, with the combinations of speed, twist, and direction, now you can maneuver the chair like a hovercraft. If you have any questions, you can email me directly, or you can go through Kickstarter and reach me. Thank you for your support, and thank you for watching.